The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. You may have heard about this. Kanye is thinking about running for Speaker of the House. It couldn't get any stranger. But in case Kanye is serious about this whole POTUS thing, or as he calls it, peasy, I do have advice for him. There's some stuff that I picked up on the way. First of all, you've got to spend a lot of time dealing with some strange characters who behave like they're on a reality TV show. So you've got to be cool with that. Love you too. Second, this is a second important tip. Saying that you have a beautiful, dark, twisted fantasy. That's what's known as off message in politics. You can't say something like that. There are a lot of people who've lost their congressional seats saying things like that. You don't do that. That's number two. And number three, do you really think that this country is going to elect a black guy from the south side of Chicago with a funny name to be president of the United States? That is crazy. That's crazy. All right. We'll see what Kanye has to say when he gets out here.
Viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, I have another video that I'm going to leave with you. My viewers and subscribers. But before I leave that video with you, I want to talk a little bit about the video I just presented to you, and I want to give shout outs to, my viewers and subscribers out there worldwide. You see me? Yeah, I want to give a shout out to Shereen Hemmings. Tafari Francis, you see me? I want to give a shout out to Justin Blaze from Trinidad and Tobago. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, Justin Blaze, big up yourself. I want to give a shout out to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers worldwide, whether you're from Canada, Europe, UK, America, anywhere you're at. Big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Ray Spence! Big up yourself, Ray Spence. You see me? I say, yeah, big up and respect to you. And anyways, here's where I'm going to say this now. You see me? Now, to my knowledge, it's been years now I heard this thing about Kanye West saying that he's going to run for president of United States of America. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, to my knowledge. You see me? I don't know about anyone else, but I'm telling you, to my knowledge, this whole thing. You see me? Now, I just presented a video to you that shows Barack Obama, right? Barack Obama saying some things that Kanye West might need to know if he decides to run for president. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Now, viewers and subscribers, the video that I just presented to you, this video had been out there for some time now. You understand me? Kanye West running for the president of the United States of America seems like a very interesting topic and something interesting that I think about it. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, I would like to know what you think about this whole thing where it is said that Kanye West said that he's running for president of the United States of America. Alright? Now, to my knowledge, I'm not sure if he actually is going to do it. I'm just telling you some things that have been said on social media. Alright? Alright. Anyways, I'm going to leave that alone now. Now, the video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers, according to what has been said about it on social media, is that this video is about an argument or confrontation between a white man and a black woman. Alright? According to what has been said about it on social media. And it is said that the white man is asking the black woman to leave from out of a gated community, or is asking her why or what is the reason for her to be riding her bicycle in a gated community or private community, or however persons call it. You understand? Now, when I look at the video, I saw the person who persons on social media consider to be a white man, but the other person, I didn't see the other person, right? I heard the other person talking in the background of the video, and I'm talking about the person who persons on social media consider that person to be the female, all right? Or you could say a African descendant female, all right? Now, this video is out on social media where some persons are saying that the person who is considered to be a white male, persons are saying that the person is being racist, Other persons on social media are saying, no, the person is not being racist, but however, the person is just trying to protect his neighborhood, you know what I mean? And, other comments have been made about this video on social media, and I'm just presenting it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at this video. You can also tell me what you think, and to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on, all right? Yeah, and to make it clear, this video had been recorded within the United States of America. I don't have any information exactly where in America, but it had been recorded within the United States of America. And I do not have any information as to when this video had been recorded either, all right? Now, here I'm going to leave the video with you right about now. And for those who don't like to see confrontations or so forth, dispute and those things, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? And until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. Now here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
You need to leave the community.
You don't tell me what to do. I can say I live here. Call 911. Go ahead.
Would you like me to call the Palm Beach County Sheriff and they'll tell you to leave the community?
I would love for you to call the Sheriff's Department.
This is a gated community.
I understand it's gated.
Are you a guest of someone here in the community? That's what I'm asking.
You don't have any right. I don't have to answer any questions that you ask me. I would love for you to call the sheriffs.
Yep.
Call them.
This is.
I'll be riding around. I'm not leaving.
This is a private community.
That's fine.
Okay?
Go ahead. Call the Sheriff's Department. You have no right to ask me any questions, and I don't have to answer any questions to you. I haven't spoken to you.
You don't have the right to be riding around in a private community where you're not the guest of someone or you don't live here.
Guess what? Does that matter to you? I didn't speak to you. I didn't do anything to you.
That's fine.
Okay,
you
great.
Need to.
That's great. So how about you go police somewhere else because you got the wrong one and I got time today. So you can waste your time and the police have time.
Because you're riding around a bike in a community you don't live in.
Who told you I don't live in here? Just because I said no. What if I was lying? That's bullshit?
That's bullshit.
I was lying to you.
Go ride. There's a street out here.
Why don't you go ride in the street? Go jump in front of the cars for all I care. As a matter of fact, you're messing up my heart rate. You're messing up my heart rate.
I don't give a shit.
I can tell you don't give a shit.
Okay?
I was lying. I do live here. No, I'm back up one. I'm back up one.
No,
I'm back up one. Go ahead.
I told you don't live here in the community.
Get the foot melon.
That's it. I'm calling the Palm Beach.
Rele police. Rele police. Let's go up one time here. Since you want to, do I comprehend?
English. You're in the fucking United States of America.
And you can, you know what? Now get mama. You know what that means?
I don't give a
You should have a pretty good guess. Call the police. Go ahead. Go for it. I got time today. Since you live in this gated community and I don't belong here and I shouldn't be riding my bike on the bike path, right?
Yeah,
and around the neighborhood.
Live in the community. And
so how about this? I lied. I live in the community. What do you have to say now?
If you live here in the community, that's fine.
It's none of your business if I do or not, though. You have no right to approach me.
I haven't seen you before. I simply asked you if you lived in the community.
And I told you I don't have to answer your question and it's none of your damn business if I live here or not. That's my response to you. So, take it or leave it. I don't live here. I live here. Who gives a fuck?
I don't think you'd be acting that way if you lived here in the community.
You really don't? Okay.
No, I don't.
Go for it. Call the sheriff's. I think there's a non-emergency number posted. Why don't you call that number? I'll be riding around.
I'm talking to him right now.
Go ahead. Go for it. I'm going to keep riding around and let me know.
I'm calling the Palm Beach County non-emergency number. We have a lady here who appears to be in her 20s. She's riding a bicycle around a gated community. I just asked her what business she had here in the community, and she became aggressive and confrontational.
Because it's none of your business if I live here. You have no right to approach me. Go ahead. Go for it.
Yeah.
Look, it's Karen's cousin. Let's go, Tom.
I don't know who Karen is.
I know you don't know. Trust me. Everybody else will.
I asked you what business do you have here?
You don't have any right. What right do you have to ask me that question?
I can ask you anything I damn well please.
And I can answer anything I damn well please, and I can tell you go to hell if I damn well please too. So how about that?
I'm calling the Palm Beach County Sheriff non-emergency number. We have
Go ahead.
Lady who... Thank you. Yep.
Go ahead. Tell them to put a rush on it so you can waste their time and mine.
Yes, we have a person who is riding a bicycle around who's not a resident of the community. I asked her what business she had here in the community, if she was visiting someone, and she said she wasn't and she didn't live here. When I asked her to politely to leave the community, she became very confrontational to me.
Because I felt threatened. There's a strange white man who's very much taller than me and much bigger than me. I'm afraid for my life. Should I call also?
Here in the community. She really has no business here and just appeared to be riding her bicycle around. You know, I really don't know what she was doing. Looking for open garages. Or what she was.
Oh, really? I'm looking for open garages?
Colony Lake Townhouse community.
You have got the right one
she's
today.
Right near the front entrance of the community. She appears to be about 25 to 30. She's got a...
Go ahead, Uncle Tom. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, Police Officer Tom. Security guard. Go ahead. Because you're going to feel like an idiot.
The front of the Colony Lake Townhouse.
I have a right to
right
be
off
here.
Military Trail.
So what else was I doing besides scoping garages? How did I get into your precious gated community?
Yeah, I just asked her if she lived in the community because she appeared to be biking around just, kind of aimlessly here in the community in circles. And she became, unfortunately, very confrontational when I asked her.
Unfortunately for you, yeah, because I told you you can go to hell and you have no right to ask me anything, and nor do I have to answer anything to you. Yeah. Why don't you tell me about the part where I need to speak English? I'm in a fucking country, right?
And tight maroon spandex shorts.
Go ahead.
Yep, that's fine. No, that's fine.
Get him here. I'm anxious.
No, I haven't seen anything like that. But she just... No, she doesn't appear to be.
What? Am they asking if I'm high, I'm drunk, I'm on drugs? Give me, what is it?
She's asking me how she really acted if she really had it.
If I what? If I wasn't college educated, owned a home in here, I wouldn't be asking these questions?
She's trying to record me.
I am recording. I'm not trying to. I am.
Yeah, you can probably.
She should be able to. I'm fine with it. I have no issues.
Yeah, I'm at a distance of about 20 so I'm sorry? No, I was on foot. I was out for a walk. My name is John.
Are you walking away? Are you fearful for your life?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.